Hi, here I have a 32-inch foldable duffel bag by Vomgomfom. That is Vomgomfom. Now the wheels itself are unlike normal duffel bags. These ones are thick and have deep grooves in it for excellent traction. The bottom is soft like the top here, but then on the end here it is hard plastic, which helps maintain the shape and protect it from any wear or tear that comes its way while you're dragging the duffel bag along. And when you fold it back up, it just offers a shapeage as well, so it can fit inside the storage bag here. Now, the duffel bag itself has thick, durable material, meaning it can withstand any elements and wear or tear that comes its way. The strap has netting on the bottom here, which allows for airflow to flow through and just overall just comfort for your shoulder. You can attach it with this plastic hook right here, like so. It's not this hard, I'm struggling. I don't know why. And it's not gonna go anywhere. There is a lot of storage with this bag inside. You have attachable additional folding pockets. They're slightly stretchy, but not by much, that you can attach with buttons and Velcro. And then the inside here is more plasticky, which just protects the interior from any splashes from the outside. So if you accidentally go through a puddle or something, you don't need to worry too much about it affecting your clothes. And then on top of the strap here, you also have additional netting. There's just overall a lot of storage with this thing. And the sides here also have additional handles, which are covered with a soft foam, so you can carry it around and you don't need to worry about the webbing rubbing against your hands and causing any irritation. And then it also just comes with extra storage that you can like zipper back down, so in case you don't need the extra room, but the extra room is there in case you need it. And then you can also there's additional stretchy roping here that also just offers us another way to keep it all contained. This was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.